Welcome to another video. So in this video we got the battery charged low and it's saying something's draining the battery. And if you've been a BMW owner very long, you've probably seen this before. So it almost always is the same thing, but we're going to diagnose and repair this issue today. So if you do not have, I would tell you, go get this Pro Tool off the internet. So what you do is you download the app on your phone, and it's a one-time fee, $175, and it will do any BMW newer. It will, when they come out with a new model, they update it to include it, and it's a lifetime one-time payment. That's it. It's worth every penny of it. You can do all sorts of things with it once you've, if you do some search on the internet, Pro Tool, you'll understand it. But it won't do older BMWs. I had a 99 540 6-speed, and it wouldn't do that. E39, I think it was. But anything fairly new it will do. But what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to log into it. There we go. And we're going to go to the top. We're going to read the codes. And in just a second, it's going to read every code. Now, if you look through it, it says no errors found. And you scroll down. And then it talks about unauthorized waking. Means that something is waking up and using power with the car being off. So a lot of it will pertain to that. It will tell you, there's a lot of little things, but we're going to get down here to what the problem almost always is. So down here in the footwell module, it says front passenger door control module wake up. And then it says door contact passenger side rear door multiple wake up. So what this is telling us is the door handle is bad. It's a common problem with these, and it's not hard to change, but the door handles go bad, and then what happens is it just looks like somebody's trying to open the car door. Now, I've noticed with this one, it started, the alarm would intermittently go off. You set the alarm, then all of a sudden the alarm's going off. I'm like, what the hell? And you go reset it and it will be fine. So the door handle will do that. It appears that somebody opened the door to the car. The door handles come in black and white. If you have a black car or a white car, you're good to go. This is the sapphire dark gray. So the black handle is almost unnoticeable. If you got a different color car, you may want to get like a spray can of touch-up paint from BMW. Is going to be your closest match, and paint it. But it's very simple to change, and we're going to see how to do that. But what's nice about this Pro Tool is when we're done, we can look down here and it says clear all errors. So we can just clear all the errors out of there and we're good to go. Anyway, stay tuned. We're going to change the knob and I'll show you how easy it is. Okay, so this is a relatively simple thing. See, here's our door handle. And it's got two plugs there. So evidently they short inside, and then those plugs are getting activated like somebody's pulling on it or opening the door. So you need one T15 Torx. And you actually need a long one. You may be able to do it with an extension. I'm always afraid if I put an extension and a socket on the end, that when I pull it out, I'm going to pop the socket off. It's going to fall down in the door. But anyway, that should work either way. And if you come up here to the door, there's a rubber plug right here. And you see it's right even with the handle. You pull the plug out, and you're never going to see it on the video, but the hole is here. take a flashlight and shine it in there, you can see a bolt, a Torx bolt. So you loosen it up until it gets tight. It will get tight. Don't force it past it when it gets tight. Then you come up here to the outside and you pull out on the handle and it pops right out. And the whole thing just comes right out. There's your plugs. Very, very easy to change. Don't go to BMW and let them charge you 500 bucks to change it. Simply unplug it, plug the new one in, work it back in there a little bit with a, a little bit of finesse, not hard, and put your bolt back in. You got it, you're done. Now I did see, first time I checked this to see what was going on, it said the rear door handle was bad. But if you notice, when I just looked at it, it just dawned on me that it said the front one was waking up too. So I'm going to just replace the rear one because that's all I got. And we're going to see what happens. Pretty much every door handle is the same except the driver's door where it has the keyed entry for the door handle. Anyway, I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe. We have tons of videos on these BMWs and other vehicles also. You have a pleasant day, and we'll see you in the next video.